Good day, sir, madam. My name is Janet Masangkay, Filipino, 37 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have 2 brothers, 2 sisters, and I'm the third in the family.
What are your duties and responsibilities in your previous job?
My duties and responsibilities in my previous job is cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care of children.
Can you tell me how to take care of the children?
I can take care of the children, I can give food, I can love children, and I can treat them as my own. I can give vitamins and take a bath.
What are the dishes and menu that you can cook?
I know how to cook Filipino dishes like adobo, sinigang, kare-kare, and I'm willing to learn the Chinese dishes.
Who will take care of your family if you're working in Hong Kong?
My mother will taking care of my children while I am working in Hong Kong.
How would you describe your character?
I will describe my character as honest, kind, patient, and hardworking.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money and to support my family.
Thank you, Miss Janet, and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.